When it comes to automotive care, it might be hard to look beyond the products that make your chrome shiny or your paint glitter in the sunlight. After all, that's what people notice first. So in this video we will discuss 5 best car cleaning wipes. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Total Interior Cleaner and Amp, Protectant. This is it, our best overall choice. The Total Interior Cleaner and Amp, Protectant from Chemical Guys actually cleans all interior surfaces and is safe to use on everything including glass and screens. It's got great strength, too, acing our butter test, see below. The cleaner also doubles as a protectant, meaning it'll shield your dashboard and other interior components from harmful UV rays. The only knock? We aren't a fan of the scent, it's strong. But if that doesn't bother you, you can't go wrong with this choice. Also, Chemical Guys just launched a wipes version of their Total Interior Cleaner. While we didn't test it with the rest of these cleaners, it might be worth a try for on-the-go cleaning. Pros: works on all surfaces, including glass and screens. Shields components from harmful UV rays. Cons: strong scent. Number 2. Griot's Garage 10956 Interior Cleaner. For strong, no-frills cleaning power, look no further than Griot's Garage Interior Cleaner. We chose it as our second best car interior cleaner for its simplicity and effectiveness. There's no scent, no residue, and its clear color gives us confidence that it won't stain. Griot's cleaner took off normal grime with ease and smashed our butter test. The 22-ounce bottle is nice too, and will last you a while. The only hindrances? It doesn't work on screens or glass and lacks any UV protection. But we're willing to sacrifice that for the fantastic cleaning power. Pros: no scent. No residue. Cons: can't use it on screens or glass. Lacks UV protection. Number 3. Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer Cleaner. For those of us who want a quick, cheap spray to clean our car's interior, Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer does the trick. The cleaner works decently, passing our butter test, and leaves behind neither streaks nor residue. It's not as strong as other cleaners on this list, and it has a slight scent. But it does feature a protecting agent to keep surfaces looking clean longer. For a cheap, quick interior cleaner, this is the best budget choice. Pros: easy on the budget. A quick clean. Cons: lacks the strength of other cleaners on this list. Number 4. Carfidant Ultimate Car Interior Cleaner. While this is strictly an interior cleaner test, Carfidant supplied a product that also cleans various exterior parts. Hey, we like 2-in-1s. The cleaning power is evident. It aced our butter test and cut through existing grime easily. Carfidant says this stuff can clean exhaust tips, degrease an engine, and remove bugs from your windshield. While we didn't test any of those claims this time, we believe that its strength makes it capable of such tasks. The scent is quite strong, and it's one of the pricier cleaners on our list, but the versatility outshines both issues. Pros: interior and exterior cleaning. Excellent cleaning strength. Cons: scent is quite strong. Higher priced than others in our test. Number 5. Armor All Car Cleaning Wipes. If you need to clean your interior lickety-split, it's tough to beat the speed of these Armor All cleaning wipes. This container holds 50 wipes, but we found the pull-through opening tricky to use. For light dirt and grime, these are excellent, but they struggle against real messes and fail our butter test. The smell is very strong, and they do leave a slight residue behind, which can cling to floating dust, making your cleaning job a waste of time. However, the convenience is unmatched. You'll just compromise the quality provided by more labor-intensive cleaners. Pros: super convenient and quick to use. Cons: tricky pull-through dispenser. Dismal strength against tough grime. Strong smell and leaves behind a residue. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.